Are you OSHA certified? How many times have you been asked that question by a prospect that you're going out to give a quote on cleaning, sanitizing, and disinfecting their location? Well, you know, it's hard to say where they got that notion that you are that you have to be OSHA certified or there is an OSHA certification, because you know OSHA does not actually certify workers, and you cannot get a OSHA certified. The closest thing to that is the OSHA, to an OSHA certification, is the OSHA outreach, which is actually provided by authorized OSHA trainers. And what it results in is that you getting issued a 10-hour or a 30-hour card, meaning that you've gone through the class and you've passed and you've got that certification. That's the closest thing to an OSHA certification. So typically what's going on is that prospect is asking you about an OSHA certification because they heard something or they've seen somebody that had a certification, and so they want to see if you've actually are certified with OSHA. You know, but there isn't. And like I say, the thing is that typically happens is that some independent company decided to create some kind of a program. And with that program, they went ahead and called it a certification. And to sell the certifications, they slapped OSHA's name on it. So, you know, many times you'll see that. You'll see OSHA COVID-19 certified training. So what does that mean? Well, it's not OSHA certified. OSHA is not certifying anything. It's just that independent company decided to use those key words and those key phrases to sell their program. That's all it is. I do advise you to get your proper training though in safety, hazard communication, bloodborne pathogens, and obviously the use and the proper use of equipment such as electrostatic sprayers or foggers, because it's important for you to know exactly what the process is, and you should have a protocol when you are talking to these prospects about offering that cleaning, sanitizing, and disinfecting service. You should be able to tell them exactly what your protocol is, step by step, you know, so they fully understand what it is that you're going to do. And actually, that's a good thing to do because now you can actually you can show them the value for what their investment is going to get. So a lot of times, you know, people aren't doing that. They're not actually discussing what the protocol is, you know, what their step is, what they're going to do step by step, and what the prospect can expect. So I'd highly advise that. And again, you know, hopefully you got something from this video. And if you did, go ahead and click on the subscribe button. I'm 𝗲𝗓𝗢𝗓𝗓, co-founder of 𝗔𝗕𝗠torialstore.com and 𝗲𝗏𝗏𝗡𝗏𝗏𝗡𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏. I want to say thanks for checking in today, and we'll see you next time.